morning class. As in the last chapter we have discussed about Windows 7. Windows 7 which is an operating system software. In this chapter we are going to talk about Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. To open Windows Explorer, first we have to click on Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories, then Windows Explorer. As I told you, Windows Explorer is divided into two parts, left pane and right pane. Left pane consists different types of disk drives in hierarchical orders, disk drive C, disk drive D, disk drive E, like that. Whereas right pane shows the detailed information of the selected disk drive. Now, the next topic was viewing files or folders. In that topic, we have talked about the different views in which we can see our files and folders. Now, today's topic is, okay students, today's topic is working with control panel. Before starting to work with control panel, we should know what is control panel. Control panel which we can use to make changes in the appearance and current settings of the Windows. Means Windows में किसी भी तरह की changes करने के लिए जिस particular option का हम use करते हैं, that comes in control panel. The work of the control panel is as follows: to changing appearance and personalization of the desktop. Second is system and security. Next is networking and internet, setting clock and language and region. Okay, let's see how to open control panel window. There are two ways to open control panel window. The first is we have to click on the start button and then select the control panel option from the right pane. The second one is double click on the computer icon on the desktop. Click the open control panel button located on the toolbar. Is it? Now students, as I told you, there are two ways to open control panel. The first is click on start button, then after we are going to click on control panel, which is right hand side. The second option is we have to click on the my computer option, then after we all are going to click on open control panel option. Okay, as I told you, by using this control panel we can do different types of tasks. We can change the setting of our computer, we can change the date and time. So here we are going to see how can we change the date and time. To change date and time, first of all we will click the date and time option from the control panel. Means first we have to open the control panel, then after we will go to the date and time option in the control panel. Then after date and time dialog box will appear. We will change date and time according to our need. Now, our next topic is font. As we all know, the characters which is used in typing the text is known as font. Means the characters जो text हम type करते हैं, जो text होता है, that particular text is known as font. The characters used in typing the text that are the same design are called font. Font settings are used to change the display of the text on the screen and the printed text. This is the option which is used to change the appearance of the text. Now, how to open font option? To open font option, we will click on the font category in the control panel. Means all the setting which we want to do, we will find it in the control panel. The next part of our control panel is to open on screen keyboard. To open on screen keyboard, first of all we will click on the start button, then we will go to the all programs option, then accessories. After accessories we will click on ease of access and then we will click on the on screen keyboard. You can see this is your on screen keyboard which can run without using your keyboard. It is mouse operated keyboard, so that's why it is known as on screen keyboard. Our next and the last topic is sleep. Put your computer in sleep mode. Means suppose we are doing some work and we want some relaxation. In that time we can leave our computer. So sleep is a power state that allows our computer to quickly resume power operation when you start working again. It is a state in which computer resume क्या करता है, resume is अपनी जो energy है that should be consumed by the computer. When we start working again, it help us to work in that memory in particular setting in a small amount of power.